Hey, it's Clark from the Down South IZ podcast, and I got a new unboxing video for you guys today. And found this little gem on Amazon the other day and decided to pick it up. It's another Bluetooth speaker, and it seemed like it'd be pretty good on paper. And it was only 25 bucks, give or take. Your mileage may vary depending on the day that you go visit Amazon, but it looked good on paper. And I wanted to bring this one in and see what it is. This was one of their Amazon Choice selections. So supposedly it had pretty good reviews. I didn't see anything that would warrant anything spectacularly bad with it. But I did want to bring it in just to try it and see what goes on with it. And really and truly, the packaging is kind of less than stellar with the basically cardboard box. And as you can tell, it is a triangular shaped speaker. So that was kind of interesting to me also. But you can go through here and basically just pretty bland, except for on the bottom, it does have some FCC information and the model number and that kind of thing. So it's not really much to go on that even says it's actually a Bluetooth speaker, but we'll unbox it and we'll go from there. So let's see, it opens up kind of in a triangular funky fashion, and we are wrapped in plastic, which is good. And also inside we do have the manual, so quick start guide, pairing information, that kind of thing. So cool. And also tucked up into the back of the box, we do have the charging cable, which is micro USB. Would have liked to have seen Type C by now, but hey, you can't get everything you want. And from the looks of this is probably only maybe a 1-foot cable, and I'm tired of dealing with little bags, so we're going to do that. Looks to be about 2 feet, maybe a little more, maybe a 26, 28 inch cable, maybe 30 inch. It's not very long. No power brick or anything like that with it. It is just the cable. And let's see what we got here. Take it off the plastic. And first impressions, it actually does have a fairly good weight to it. So I do kind of like that. And do have metal grills, kind of a rubberized coating on the side. Here we have the buttons, which is Bluetooth, which is probably your pairing, and a microphone. So I would assume that's probably maybe a mute for if you do happen to do calls with it. Volume volume down, volume up, play pause, and the OontZ logo, which is they gotta do their own thing. But I do like the metal grill. Like I said, it is kind of hefty. And we go on the other side, nothing on there. It's the back where the speakers are. So here is power button, and this is more than likely charging port and 3.5mm jack. And that would be correct. So there's our charging port and our 3.5-inch auxiliary jack if we decide to plug up your phone that way. On the bottom, let's see, zoom angle 3 gives a little bit more information on there. Cambridge Soundworks. Now the sides are rubberized, but the feet here, they're rubber also, but it's a little bit tackier, so it doesn't actually shift or anything. Like I said, this does have actually fairly good heft to it. And according to all of the manuals and everything that it said on Amazon, that it does have 2 drivers in there, which you can kind of see through the grill. So it has stereo drivers. It has a passive bass driver on the bottom here, that's what that baffling is for. Has wireless Bluetooth range up to 100 feet unobstructed. So I will be testing that when I do the review on this. Uses Bluetooth 4.2, only 10 ounces with 14 hours of playtime if you use it at 2/3 volume. So I'll be testing that as well just to see if that actually works or not. And there's our microphone right there on top. They do say this one is IPX5 rated. So you can splash this speaker, or, you know, it can be rained on gently, but you can't submerge it or anything like that. So it can be played outside. And so longer play times could be, if you keep the volume down, the playtime might be actually a little bit longer. They have one part of the thing says that it's actually 10 ounces, and the other paperwork says it's 9. So let's see exactly what we're working with here. So we got 9.7. So I guess they're both right. So 9.7 ounces dry weight. I will have to charge it and see what's going on with it. But like I say, other than the packaging, the actual feel of it, it does feel good. It feels sturdy. You know, nothing seems loose. The button presses are nice and clicky. I don't know if you can hear that, but there is a really good click on there. It's a good tactile feel on it to let you know that you actually did click it. It's not really mushy, so it does mush a little bit, but there is that distinct click once you hit the bottom. So the button feel feels really good. The power button, same way. And have a little Bluetooth light there. Like I say, I'll pair it up and give her a test drive over the next few days and see exactly what we're looking at here as far as sound quality and, you know, how long the battery actually lasts and everything. So I'm gonna get it charged up and get it tried out. But there's your unboxing for the OontZ Angle 3. It's a Amazon Choice Bluetooth speaker. Run you around in the neighborhood of $25. And stay tuned for the actual review video on this one, because I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen with this as far as how it's going to sound and everything. So stay tuned for that. I'll definitely let you know what I find out, good, bad, or otherwise. And hey, I mean, if it is a good one, we might be able to compare it up with some of the others, like your JBLs or anything like that. I'll compare that up also, and we'll see what happens in the review. Thank you guys for taking a listen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the website, downsouthitpodcast.com, for everything else and all of the videos on the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see y'all for the review. Thank you.